description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of the Instant Noodles Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one, God, I can't remember the name of the country, it's like Hugh something, and it's kind of funny. This is, overseas, this is a duck blood noodle. Over here, this is a duck broth noodle. Okay, it's a sweet potato vermicelli. It's from China. One thing that I absolutely love about this is, if you look at the picture, it's kind of like, it's a cartoon, and you've got a duck with his thumbs up winking. Serving suggestion. I couldn't find any rubber ducks. I know I have some somewhere, but it was kind of an odd serving suggestion. So this stuff is weird, folks. I'm a little miffed on it. Maybe that's what this is. This looks fine. There's the oil, and there's that. So these three things go in for 2 minutes, and then the rest of it goes in. But I need scissors. Ugh. Man, cold day today, folks. Oh my God. It's so cold outside. How cold is it? It's so cold my face fell off. Ooh. That's cold. I don't know, we had this whole cold weather warning and all this, and it was cold, but the whole thing was like, well, there's gonna be a breeze in the morning and blah, blah, blah. We didn't have that. And if we would have had that, oh yeah, it would have been so freaking bitter cold. I found it colder yesterday when I went out in the afternoon. Because there was a little bit of a breeze. It wasn't as cold. It wasn't as cold. Wow, this stuff is weird. I don't know. I'm feeling a little worrisome about this one. Oh, here we go. So we'll drop that in. And then we've got this, which has to be the tofu. Yeah, for sure. Wow, they're like little mini tofu puffs. I like that. And then we've got this, which is definitely the soup base. I don't know if there's anything floating around there, but we'll see. And I'm pretty darn sure there's no duck blood in this. Although, what's funny is the ingredient list says duck, but I really have a hard time believing that there would really be duck in here. This is imported into the US, so not very likely. So we're gonna let this boil for that was weird. 2 minutes. And here we go. So yeah, I went out walking, got a good walk in, you know. I'm beat. I feel like crap today. Not like sick or nothing, but just like wishing the weather was more normal, not worrisome. It got down, when I got up this morning, it said it was 19 degrees, so I'm thinking like, well, and I looked at the humidity last night and it said it was 63 when I went to bed. So I'm thinking like, oh, everything could be covered in frost and everything. So I put on my yak tracks on my shoes, and it turned out I was just fine, you know. I got down to where I was going, and then on the way back I took them off and threw them in my pocket. That's the nice thing about those shoe covers that have, basically, they've got a, what do you call them? Like studded tires, but for shoes. It's really what they are. And they work great in inclement weather situations. So, paper straws. Wow. I guess if you work in the federal government and you go to like a commissary or a cafeteria, you will not be able to use a paper straw because of executive order has banned paper straws. Sure makes those eggs seem like the whole thing about the price of eggs just seems so trivial now, doesn't it? I don't know. A lot of trivial stuff. I'm watching this documentary. It's not really a documentary. It's like a docudrama. It's based completely on events, and it's called The Apprentice, and it's about the early life. I don't know. We're like he's like divorcing Ivana Trump now. About to. I just don't think you. I don't find you attractive anymore. I wince when I get close to you. Oh my God, what a lovely thing. But yeah. But I think it's really interesting because the way they put it together, it certainly seems like this Roy Cohn guy. Wow, he really turned him into kind of a monster. But Roy Cohn is kind of a monster, it seemed like. So I don't know. It's a really interesting thing. They're calling this the ring pack. I will note that this is very pooched out. I'm gonna give it a good whiff before I give it a try, but I have a feeling this might be the way it's supposed to be. Oh, yeah. Look at that. What a weird deal. So they probably puff it full of air so it doesn't get funky. I don't know though. I don't know what we're supposed to do with that. They called it the ring roll. Now I understand. I guess we'll find out. And this is chili oil. They mentioned the only sachet they mentioned having oil in it was chili oil. So is this chili oil? And yes, it is. I'm very curious about this one. I don't know whether I'll like it or not, but I guess we'll find out. This came by way of Dan over at exoticnudes.com. If you want to check out like varieties from all over the world, I mean, you constantly hear me talking about what do you call it? The Nakama Noodles box. That one's just Japan. His boxes are global, and he lives down in the LA area, and he sources all his stuff because there's tons and tons and tons of importers down there. So every once in a while, he'll send me something, which is what this is. It's something, and I get to try it, and it's nice. So thank you, dude. All right, I guess we need to try it immediately. Duck, huh? We'll try those separately. Let's get you in on the action. This is interesting. So there's our broth. Fingers crossed. Okay, I can get with that. Very herby. I get the whole idea of this being a duck broth. It's got that kind of. It does need coagulated duck blood, though. That would really round this out. Kind of like tofu puff. This, though, I'm really like weirded out by this aspect. The ring roll, please. I mean, it's strange. Can I grab some of it? It's very, like, not wanting to be grabbed. Well, let's try the noodle. Noodle's good. Okay. Let's snip a piece of the ring roll. If that's indeed what this is. I like that. That reminds me of like... It reminds me of an egg roll. And it's not bad at all. Okay. I like it. It's interesting. It's very hot. I think I'd like it more if it wasn't so hot temperature-wise. There's a little bit of chili oil flavor in there. Not overwhelming, not too much. And I got a new bowl yesterday. That's my new bowl. Look at that. I think it was like $3 at the thrift store. Really not too bad. Now we're gonna see if... Whoa! Whoa, whoa. If it's too big for the bowl. Ooh. That's a lot in there. Oh my God. There's a lot going on in this bowl. And I really want a little less going on in this bowl, at least liquid-wise, because I want you to be able to see that noodle. So I think I'm gonna have to use my spoon and get rid of some of this broth so that noodle has a little bit of a little wiggle room. Have a little more of that broth. Yeah, it's interesting. And not like, oh, that's interesting. But like, that's pretty good interesting. Wow, how unique. That kind? No. This is good. Okay, let's see if that made a difference. Yeah, we can kind of give it a comb over. I really want these guys to kind of be all over the place, but I guess they really want to be happy together. And I really want more of this to be visible too. Everything wants to kind of go here, there, but not where I want it. Don't be difficult. I was gonna add an egg to this, but I think I'm gonna forego the egg. Go with some scallion. Bitto seed. And I'm going to use this Szechuan pepper powder I have. Just a little bit. And I'm going to call it good. And it's interesting. I haven't had one like this before. Like I've had a couple interesting ones recently. This one and the mutton one that I did the other day. But yeah, very good. Thanks, dude. Well, thank you very much. The next one you're going to see is this. This is a Sapporo Ichiban variety, Kuze Fuku and Company Everyday Dashi Miso Ramen. So that'll be on the next episode of this show. And Yeah, if you like it, please hit that like and subscribe button and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you on the flip side. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.